Factors that impact the HVAC maintenance schedule. 1. Usage. Any HVAC system that is used extensively must be serviced regularly. 2. This ensures that your vents are clear, the refrigerant has been topped up and no component is damaged or leaking. In fact, many HVAC contractors like us at Alliance Energy Source offer scheduled site visits for furnace repair, boiler service or air conditioner service. 2. Indoor-outdoor conditions. Where your HVAC unit is placed affects its service requirements too. If you keep your HVAC equipment indoors, factors like air quality, temperature and electrical connections all affect its performance. If you keep your HVAC system in your backyard or on the roof, outdoor elements like weather, bird feces, nests made by animals' pests can wreak damage to your HVAC unit. In each scenario, the damage is different and the more severe it is, the sooner you'll need to contact an HVAC company for help. 3. Age of the machine. As your unit ages, it may not be as energy efficient anymore. In order to ensure energy savings and cost savings, you'll need to get it maintained regularly. Of course, if your maintenance history shows that you're spending too much on repairs, then it's best to get the system replaced entirely. Our team at Alliance Energy Source can help advise you about the next step forward. We can also assist you with HVAC replacement. Reach out to us today. 4. Unanticipated damage or leaks. Sometimes, a severe power outage, a storm, a natural disaster, a fire, electrical hazard or simple human error can cause damage or leaks to your HVAC unit. In these cases, you may need to seek help from HVAC repair companies more often than usual.